Hey folks, just a quick note about the DJI Mini 3 receiver here. Now very quickly, when you take this out of the box, you are going to probably want to remove this port here so you can attach an adapter such as the USB-C adapter for connecting the receiver here to a mobile phone. However, you're going to notice very quickly that it isn't easily removed, and you do not want to yank on this or it is going to probably break. So what you need to do is actually use the button on the side. Now at first, when I saw this little padlock, I thought this was about locking the screen, the touch screen, but it isn't. That's what this is for. You hold that down if you want to lock the screen. You need to use this to unlock the cover here. Now you don't just click it, okay? That's not going to do anything. You have to hold it down. So holding that down, you can then remove the cover effortlessly. Really easy. And then of course, you can go ahead and install your adapter. Same thing when you want to remove that, hold it down, the lock button, and that comes out without any effort at all. So yeah, that's how you do this without damaging the cover here. You don't want to damage this as soon as you get this out of the box. So hopefully this helps.